Jesus.
Someone did mention it was a bit blowy up here, and we can kind of feel it now. We're actually rocking around quite a fair bit. This afternoon we're going up to the active mountain on a €50 million lift known as the Penkenbahn, right from the bottom of Meyerhofen. We're using our lift passes. This is one of the perks that you get as being a rep in the mountains, whether it's winter or summer. We're going to go up there and have a bit of a look around and check things out. As we're just doing a bit of walking now, I want to just note how remarkable it is that there's still snow up here in Austria. It's the 13th of June and there's still a sizable amount. Those last few shots were of the Krimmel waterfalls. They are the largest waterfalls not only in Austria but also the largest waterfalls in Europe. And the thing about them, besides the fact that you're getting absolutely soaked, is that actually apparently have some real natural benefits to you, particularly if you have like skin allergies or I don't know, even like hay fever. Apparently like when you go to the bottom it's surrounded by negative ions, so it has like a really uplifting feel. It's not like a cure, but it's a benefit, which was pretty spectacular. Right, now let's throw to 2,276 meters. I'll be honest, I'm pretty gobsmacked about all the scenery around me at the moment. I'm on a dam which apparently is 131 meters high. Not a lot of water in it at the moment, and actually I do have a little bit of a fear of heights. But it's like every day we're out here and I'm seeing something new. I'm hiking up to a new place or meeting new people in a foreign culture, different languages. I love it.